I've cooked in cities all over the world and there's not the connection. And when you're here in Mendocino, El California, you're surrounded by agriculture and products and foraging. You know the person that caught your fish, you know who foraged your mushrooms if it wasn't yourself, and obviously you know Amy who's farming your food for you. So it's the connection and the understanding of the products which is inspiring for me.
This is a really exciting time here at the Harbor House Ranch, you know, to be able to run my own farm and enact a vision. And it also has a great weight to it because responsibly stewarding the land is an important thing. And I take that very seriously, and to do it in a way that I feel like is going to benefit this local climate and this local community and the Harbor House, and all of that has to align with my views of responsibly stewarding the land.
So our farm being so close to the restaurant but really coastal gives us an opportunity to not just grow year-round, but our products grow a little slower, which develops a lot more flavor. So it's definitely a plus in regards to growing your own food and having your own farm. We also work really closely with Green Farm in Boonville. We love everything that they produce as well. So if Amy's not able to grow it due to a cooler climate here, we'll get it from Green, and that could be our peppers and tomatoes and things like that.
So everything that we grow here down at the ranch goes to the inn, and whether that's for the dinner service, for lunch, breakfast, and then in rooms. There's also a team dedicated to preserving and fermenting if there's excess. So everything that is grown here goes up to the inn and to the restaurant.
Having your own farm kind of creates a different way of creativity and menu selection, where I think in most restaurants they come up with an idea and they go find the product. We do it the opposite way, where the product is there and then we'll taste it and then come up with a dish. So I think that we've really actually let the farm decide what we cook and when. So having Amy's expertise and understanding of not just farming, but now this area after it's been 4 years, our products have only gotten better.